2.3b, multiplying fractions with variables. When multiplying fractions with variables, we also multiply straight across, just like with integers. So this means multiply the numerator with the numerator and the denominator with the denominator. So just straight across. Remember to simplify at the end. This means canceling common factors on the top in the numerator and the denominator. To do this, remember, we expand the exponents and cancel each instance of each variable. So let's go through some examples. Multiply 4a squared over b times b squared over 2a. So that's our first example. So all we do is multiply straight across. So 4a squared times b is just 4a squared b squared. And on the bottom, all we have is b times 2a, which is just 2ab. So now we have to simplify. So what we do is we expand our exponents and our numbers. So 4 is 2 times 2, right? And a squared is a times a, and b squared is b times b. Our denominator, we can't expand anything. There are no exponents, and 2 is a prime number. So we have 2ab on the bottom, multiplied together, and now we start canceling common factors. 2 cancels with the 2, an a cancels with an a, and a b cancels with a b. And what we're left with is 2ab on top and an invisible 1 on the bottom. So this becomes 2ab over 1, but anything divided by 1 ends up just being itself. So 2ab divided by 1 is just 2ab is our final answer. So let's recap what we just did. We multiplied straight across. Then we expanded numerator and denominator. Then we canceled our common factors here again. And we were left with 2ab over 1. And anything divided by 1 is just itself. So let's go through another example, this time involving negative numbers. So we have to watch our signs. And this has different variables, x's and y's. So first off, we multiply straight across. So x squared y times negative 3 in the numerator is just negative 3x squared y. And in the denominator, 2 times y to the 4th x squared is just 2y to the 4th x squared. Now we have to simplify, and we do that by expanding the exponents and the integers. So we see that negative 3 and 2 can't be expanded anymore, so all we really have to do is just expand the exponents. So this becomes negative 3x times y. And on the bottom, we have 2y times y times y times y times x. So we cancel the y's, cancel 2 x's, and what we're left with is a negative 3 on top, and 2, and we have 3 y's, so why don't we write that as y to the 3rd. So it's negative 3 over 2y to the 3rd as our answer.